So guys, kung sa mga tao nakapunta dito sa Macau, so ito yung putol na church. Putol na church. Ito yung likod niya. So dati pala meron talagang church dito. So this is the rear part of the church. So ginawa siyang ganito intentionally para ma-preserve siguro yung structure ng front face ng church. May nakalagay doon in Portuguese, Instituto Cultural do Governo da Região Administrativa Especial de Macau. Okay? So, yun. So again, this is the rear part of the church, and we're going to go to the front in just a few steps from here.